welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are checking on the birds. I just got back from spring break. Well, my vacation on spring break. It's Sunday right now. So it was like a 6-day break of no videos, no checking on them because I was not here. No one was here. We are checking on the new parents. We're pretty sure they are new because the dad and the mom, they are chunkier. Like, their feathers puff out more than Cat and Pete's did. And by the way, we named them different, the new parent. So the dad is Caramello, and the mother is Kit. So they're kind of named after candy bars, I guess you could say, like Kit Kat, and then Caramel, either way you want to pronounce it. But yeah, we are going to check on them. It is day 16 of checking on them, but the 8 days we were not here checking on them. Either April 1st or April 2nd we last checked on them. I can't really remember. But yeah, it's day 16, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's go check on them. So I'm pretty sure that's the dad. He's like looking out for predators and stuff. You can tell it's the dad because he has red on his chest. And the males, oh gosh, he saw me. He's looking at me. I don't mean any harm, buddy. But yeah, the males, they have red on their chest. He is looking out for predators, which means Kit is probably in the nest. And then there he is. Where is that she? No, that's a he. That's him. He's like, I couldn't see the red on his chest. Okay, so I won't be checking on them for like, oh, that's scared. I usually can get really close to them without them running away so fast, but they're right there. Don't worry, I won't touch your eggs or babies if they hatched. It will take around 14 days for them to hatch, so like 2 weeks. Oh gosh, there's 5 eggs. There are 5 eggs. Oh no. The last nest didn't go too well. But I am pretty sure that's because it didn't go too well. Because the dad was never around. Like, you never saw the dad. We never saw the dad. The dad never came. So then the mom had to actually go out and get food by herself. And those days while she was gone, it was really, really cold. There were a bunch of rainy days and all that. But hopefully this bunch goes well, because the dad is actually here and the mom never has to leave the nest. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's hope this family goes better than the last one and that the babies will survive. And I will not be checking on them every day because I know that doesn't go too well. So I'll be checking on them like every 3 days. And make sure to subscribe and like to this video and channel. I hope you guys have a great day or night. It's day for me. And yeah. I'll see you guys in like 3 days, maybe 1, depending on what I film tomorrow or the next day or the next day. But bye!